What message you are getting now?
This session is being recorded.
Now stop recording is there?
No, we don't stop it.
Or you are getting this session is being recorded, right? And that means what? It's recording. It's getting recording. Okay. Task for you. Yeah, 1 second. I think. Over. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Now my requirement is, write a console program. Write a console program to print 4 messages. Write a console program to print 4 messages. The expectable output is I like C#.NET. Next, I like ASP.NET. Next, I like ADO.NET. Next, I like Ajax. Okay, this is the output I want. Can you write the program, guys?
Yes, sir, but do you want us to continue from the yesterday one, or you want us to open up the new one?
No, it's up to you. You can create a new application, or else you can open the yesterday application, you can remove the code and you can write. Okay, that is up to you.
Okay.
It's not a matter. Where you are writing program is matter. I think you are clear how to create application, how to open the existing application, right?
Yeah, I mean, we have saved it. I have saved it from the yesterday one.
Save all the programs. Okay, for your personal reference, if you want to save, you can save. You can create a new application.
Okay.
Right. Completed?
Not yet, sir.
Right. So, yeah, let me open our yesterday application. Let me write the program. Completed, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, I hope everybody written the program. Right? Who are completed?
Yes.
Right. We are getting a lot of noise. Aditya, from your side. I'm muting. Don't try to unmute. Now, guys, right. Almost all the people written the program. So now you guys, you see, I'm opening my yesterday application and I'm going to write the program. How many messages you are going to print?
4.
4.
4. Means how many write lines you have to write?
4.
4. Okay, so let me write 4 write lines. Here what is write line? What is write line?
Predefined method. It's a
Write
predefined
line is
method
a predefined method. Very good. Member method of which class?
of console
Class.
window.
Console is
Console
what
class.
class? Console is a predefined class. This is a member of which base class library? System. Console is a member of which base class library? System. Okay. Now, yeah, coming to today's our program, I am going to write. Today, after this program, I am going to teach you one new thing. Is nothing but tracing. Today you are going to learn tracing. It is very, very important ability for a good programmer. Generally, tracing capability will be there for only few people. Those people will have no doubt very good programming skills. I have given a promise to all the people that I am going to make you a good programmer. As part of this, whatever I am telling you, which are all very, very important. Because of this training and because of this programming tips, a BCom person or a BA person also can become a software engineer or software programmer. Everybody will say we require BTech and MCA or computer science background to become a programmer. According to my knowledge, a 10th class student also can become a programmer if you have a proper training. Now come on, first line. Yeah, Bhaskar, tell me the first statement. Bhaskar, Bhaskar, come on.
Console.WriteLine.
Console.
Console dot
Right line. Get ready for question everybody. Okay, don't waste the time. Console dot right line. Tell me.
I like C Sharp.net.
I like C sharp .net. Okay. Now, yes. Shravanti, come on. Hmm.
Console.WriteLine.
Hmm.
I like ASP.NET.
I like ASP.net. Now, Shravan, come on.
Console.WriteLine. I like ADO.net.
Console dot right line. I like
ADO.net.
ADO.net. Now, Neha. Neha na? Neha. Right. What is her name? Neha. Neha.
Right line.
Come on. Console dot right line.
Console right line. I like Ajax.
I like Ajax. Neha, mute yourself from your side. Some noise is coming. Seems I like Ajax. Over. Next, what should be the last statement? Poonam.
Console.readline.
What is the role of console dot readline?
It will hold the CMD
Command prompt to window. Now my plan is,
window.
I know very well you're all the people able to write this programming easily, no doubt. What is this dot here? Want to understand. Uma, can you tell me what is this dot? What is this dot? Why this dot?
It represents a language
Actually,
object-oriented programming.
dot is a notation which we will use here to see the concerned class members. You can observe whenever you want to access a class member, class name dot member name. Whenever you say dot, you can observe. In IntelliSense, it is showing you so many members. All these members are from which class? You know, console class. So dot is a notation which is uh, to access a class member according to the syntax the people has given class name dot member name, and whenever you say dot, a pop-up window is opening that is called IntelliSense. IntelliSense is a feature, is a very beautiful feature which will show to the programmer, Babu programmer, console class is having all these members, which member you want to use. Then you can just select like this. Okay, so you don't require to write the code because you have IntelliSense feature. IntelliSense feature is reducing the programmer task, and programmer doesn't require to remember all the class names and member names. Suppose I forgot class name called console. So when you press control space, automatically IntelliSense is opening. You observe guys how to open IntelliSense. Control space, IntelliSense is opening. But you forgot the class name and you can scroll like this. And wherever you have some icons here, icon. This is the icon, three symbol icon. This icon is indicate that it is a class. It is a class. And whenever you have written class dot, you can see wherever you have this symbol is called property and this symbol is called method. Symbol is called method. Okay, sometimes property will be in old versions in 2010 hand symbol, method will be in pink diamond symbol, but in the latest versions they changed the icons. Okay, that is a story. Now we guys are going to do the tracing. Now we are going to understand tracing. So first choice I'm giving to you, tracing is what, sir? Executing the program line by line. Executing the program line by line is called tracing. My advice is, if you are able to do tracing, I'm sure you will become a good programmer. You will become a good programmer, no doubt about that. So yeah, what I'm telling you guys, you take one paper, pen, immediately. Take one paper and pen. Take one paper and pen. Okay, now left side you have the program in front of you, right side pen and paper. So in pen and in paper you write like this, OP, OP, you write in your paper, you write OP. OP is called output. Now you start the program execution. Okay, first what will execute? Main will be called. Second, opening brace. Now first statement. Sir, first statement is doing what? It is printing I like C#.net, and after printing it will move the cursor to the next line. So you keep cursor like this with the pen. Now second line, tick like this. Okay, now Console.WriteLine. So if you have really program on paper also good. So otherwise if you want to make very simple, left side paper you keep write the program on paper, right side you write the OP and tick like this. Now second statement, second right line. Now it will print here only because cursor is here. I like ASP.NET and will move the cursor to the next line. Now cursor is in the third line because of the second right line, next third. Like that you do tracing. Try, I'll show you. First you try, then I'll show you. Right, over.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I am going to show you the same tracing. So if it is a classroom training, I can show on board. Now we will do one thing. We can do the tracing by putting the breakpoint also, because you are doing tracing in Visual Studio.NET. Whenever you want to execute the program line by line in Visual Studio.NET, we have a debugging facility with the help of breakpoint. How to put the breakpoint? Yes, move the cursor to the mouse cursor to the left side of main method and here observe all of you, observe
Yes, sir.
here,
Yes, sir.
here just click the left mouse button. When you click the left mouse button, one round symbol came. That is called breakpoint. Now use a function key called F10 for line by line execution. F10. When you press F10, you can observe it's first executing, it's starting execution. You can observe first it will catch which method? Main method. In main method, it will catch opening brace. Now you can observe it is executing right now opening brace. It indicates that in execution process it is executed opening brace. Next again F10 function key F10. Now in this F10 you can observe what happened. First statement is executing. What first statement will do? Urmil. What first write line will do? Urmil. It will print I like C#.NET. Now you can see the output in the OP about first statement. First statement output till the time it is executed only one statement. The statement output is I like C#.NET and cursor is in the second line. Okay, cursor is in the second line. You can observe cursor is blinking in the second line. Cursor is blinking in the second line. Now, yes guys, again press F10. When you want to press F10, right, you have to minimize this, press F10. Now, second line is executed. It's printing I like ASP.NET. You can observe output window. I like ASP.NET and move the cursor to the third line. Third line, next to again press F10. Now you can observe that for this statement is executing, that is fourth right line. I like Ajax and I like ADO.NET, that is third statement, and move the cursor to next line. Again F10. I like right line of I like Ajax and move the cursor to the next line. Right now control is executing which statement? Urmil. Right now, control is executing which statement? Urmil.
Read line.
Console.readline. What it is doing, Urmil? Console.readline is doing what? Holding the command prompt to window. Right, like that. So, are you able to do this tracing, guys?
Yes.
Now, can
Yes,
you
sir.
try in Visual Studio.NET with the help of Breakpoint? How many are having the Visual Studio.NET, guys? Now, how many?
Me.
I'm having, sir.
Yeah, whoever
I'm
having.
having.
Yeah, please do it. Now do it. 2 minutes time I'm giving you, do it. Right. Over, guys, over all of you.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we'll go to the next level. The next level is what you know. Yeah. My question. I'm giving one program, you write. We want to understand first of all, because first of all we have to understand three type of data. List of string data. List of string data. I want list of string data. What do you mean by string data? How string data will be enclosed with
Double quotes.
double quotes.
Double
I will
quotes.
write some data. You guys tell me whether it is string or not. Okay. Right. I'll write some data. Uma, your side discussion is coming. Take care about that. Right. Rama. Rama. Is it string or not?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Double quotes. Rama means collection of alphabets with enclosing double quotes. String data. Now second question. Rama 123. Can I say string?
String.
Rama one two
String.
three. Can I say string, guys?
Yes, sir.
String.
Yes.
String. Now
Yes.
next 123 Rama. Can I say string?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
String.
Yes.
Right. 4. Double quotes 123. Can I say string?
Yes.
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 Yeah, whatever you
Yes.
feel you tell. Don't depend on others' answer, because here you are learning. Here if you don't know, let's you answer wrong only. We will finalize. No, no, it's wrong. It's right. Now, is it string or not? Shaker is telling no. Poonam is telling yes.
Yes, sir.
String.
Come on.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yes, sir.
String. It is also a
Yes.
string. Means within the double quotes you can have a numerical data. Even though it is a numerical data, it is a string. Now double quotes, right? 10.5. Actually 10.5 is a floating data. But can I say is it string?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it
Yes.
is
Yes, sir.
also a string. Sixth. Rama @123 is what? Can I say is it string data?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
String.
String.
Yes, sir.
Is
String.
it string? Yes, it is also a string data. Okay, finally we observed one thing. Within the double quotes, you can write alphabets, numerics, and alpha numeric special characters. Anything you write in double quotes is a string. Final question. Double quotes, is it string data?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
String data.
Yes.
Yes, it is also a string data. It is empty string. It is what string? Empty
Mm.
string. That's it. That is a
Empty
story.
string.
My
Can we call it as
sorry,
null, sir?
sorry.
Like null string?
Yeah, it's
Can we
empty.
call this
Yeah, null string or empty string you can call. Okay. Final conclusion is a string data should be represented with the double quotes, and within the double quotes, whatever you write will consider as a string data. Okay, so that is a story. And hint to all the people to learn more and more. Two things you can do: pre-preparation, post-preparation. Before class, prepare what I'm going to teach in the next, because you have the book. You can prepare next to 2-3 pages or 4 pages and come to the class. That will be the pre-preparation. Post-preparation is after class, whatever I taught, again repeating. Okay, guys. Next, list of numeric data. Numerical data, list of numerical data. Let's recognize. What do you mean by numerical data? A number which is not having any fractional part will be called as numerical data. For example, right, 10. Can I say numerical data?
yes, sir? Yes.
Yes.
10.5. Can I say numerical data?
No.
No.
Yes. No, sir.
Tell
Yes.
me. No. 10.5 is a floating data. Double quotes 10. Can I say numerical data?
No.
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 No, it is what?
String.
String data. String data. So first one is only the numerical data. Next, list of floating data. Floating data. List of floating data. Floating data means a number which is having fractional part will come under floating data. Number one. Number one. 10.5 is what data?
Floating data.
Floating data. Number two. 10 is what data? Numerical
Numerical
data.
data.
Numerical
Numerical
data.
data. Double quotes 10.5. Can I say floating data?
No.
No, sir. It
String.
is string.
String data.
String.
It is a string data. That is the story about this one. Okay. So I have introduced
Mm.
three type of data till the time. Okay. Now I am giving one program to all the people. You have to write now. Can you
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Come on. Observe, write a console program. Write a console program to print one string data, two, one numerical data, three, floating data. Okay, three outputs I want. OP. I want to print Rama. I want to print 10. I want to print 10.5. Rama I am printing as a string. 10 I am printing as a numerical data. 10.5 I am printing as a floating data. Come on guys. Write the program.
Done, sir.
Right. Over up. Hmm? Hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
I will share one person system now. Whose system can I share now to check the program? Hmm.
Any?
Hmm. System who has written in Visual Studio, I'll share. Uma, can I share your screen?
I have not done yet, sir.
Right, complete it. Now, Shaker, can I share your screen? Shaker,
Yeah, I'll share it.
yeah, I'm sharing your screen. Shaker screen I'm sharing. Make presenter. Yes, I think you will get a message. Show screen. Click on show screen. Show screen. Right now, we are going to see the Shaker screen and show the OP. Right, and always stop debugging. Stop debugging in your system. Here, debug menu. Debug, stop debugging, and okay, fine. 1 minute. Increase the font size. Tools, tools, tools. Okay, yeah. Tools options last options. Right here, left side font and colors. Font and colors. Right, right side font and colors. Right side. Okay, before that only, whenever you are willing to share your share your screen, you increase all these things, all of you. Right here, select increase the size 24, and here bold checkbox here, bold. Okay, nice. Now show your program. Show your program. Let me see your program. Yes, wait. Yeah, the program is right or wrong according to our requirement.
10.5.
Dear Shah, according to the
Yes,
requirement,
right.
the program is right or wrong.
Wrong.
10.5 in double quotes. No.
Yeah. So here, what is the question? Print Rama as a string, 10 as a numerical data, 10.5 as a floating data. But Rama is right.
And without.
Rama is right because
Mm,
string only.
yes.
10 within the double quotes is called what data according to our last discussion? String.
It's a string data.
String
But I
data.
want to print it as a numerical data. Here enclosing 10 with double quotes will come under again string data, but I want to
String
print
data.
as a numerical. And 10.5 I want to print as a float data, but you are printing as a string data. According to
String
the
data.
question, see output you are getting. I am not least bothered about output here. Here the question is important. So according to that, we have to remove the double quotes for second right line and third right line. Again, we are coming back to make myself as a presenter. You are now able to see my screen, guys. Now let me write the program here. Whatever mistake you have done, I'll show you here in my screen. Console.WriteLine, write Rama, yes, no doubt string. You can observe string. And console.WriteLine, if you have written 10 like this, if you have written 10 like this,
It's string.
it is what data? String data you observe. That's why I
String
want to
data.
print as a numerical data. That's why remove the double quotes. Remove the double quotes. Now you can observe. Now it is acting like an integer numerical data.
Yes.
Okay. Next,
Mm.
here you want to print 10.5, but most of the people will write like this only. 10.5 again will act like a string. Remove the double quotes. Remove the double quotes. Right? Yes. And yeah. Okay. Now compile the program. Compile the program. Now you can see 10.5 is acting like a floating data type called a double.
Floating data
About the
type.
data types, that is the next topic. But first, what I'm doing before entering into data types, most frequently using data is three categories data. One is string data, second numerical data, third floating data. That's why just having a basic programming with these three types of data, compilation and execution. Now, whenever you run this application, program execution starts by main method. Right line of Rama will print and move the cursor to the next line. Right line of 10. 10 will print and move the cursor to the next line. Right line of 10.5. 10.5 will print and
Yes.
move to the next line. That is the story. Done now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, yeah, this is the another program, guys. Okay. Right. Now, I'll give you one more question. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
ask for you because see one thing I'm telling you, people will write program, but what they are writing, why they are writing, they don't know. We want to construct a Uma, we want to construct a 4-floor building. So which floor should be strong, Uma?
Say that again, sir.
We
Base.
want to construct a 4-floor building. Which floor should be strong?
From
Ground floor.
first,
Base.
ground
Yeah,
floor
ground
should be
floor should
this.
be ground
Floor.
floor should be
And
strong, then first floor, then automatically remaining floors also will be strong. So now we are
strong.
constructing the ground floor for our career. Ground floor, digging like anything. Okay, we are digging so many feet and filling with strong mud, strong stones. Okay, concrete, everything. Foundation is important. This is foundation now. Okay, now write a console program. WC means write a console program to print the same story. To print one numerical value and one floating value. Floating value, right? Your OP 1,100 and 20. Sorry, 30 or 300.5. Come on. Right. Over, guys. Now the
Yes, sir.
program
Yes.
should be
Yes,
want
sir.
to know this time. Here console.WriteLine. What is the value here?
100.
What's the value?
100.
100 or 1000 or what?
100,
100.
sir.
100, 100.
100.
100 should be like this. And this third line is not required. And coming to this one, what is this? 300.5.
300.5.
So this you can say that first is the string numerical data, second is a floating data. Now the output we can expect, you know very well about the output. That's it. Right? Yes. Now this time
Yes, sir.
what I am doing,
Yes, sir.
I will write the program. You people have to give me the output. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, get ready, all of you. See, my my training is very different training compared with other. I'll balance you all the guys. Don't worry. Last batch, went long mistakenly because it was my first online batch. It is my second online batch because I trained thousands of students in India in classroom training. I am one of the classroom trainer in India. 2009 onwards I am into teaching. I handled around 100 batches. So when I started online last time I got very good strength, but around so many people got the jobs. I'll show you the mails from them. One girl, 4 interviews, 3 jobs. One girl, 3 interviews, 2 offers. One girl, first interview, first offer. Recent last, but last batch happened for what? It went long duration. This time I'm putting deadline for you all the people. Now it is May 1st to May starting. By July, 2.5 months. By July, June, July ending, we will finish the course. July 15th, I'm putting target, but July ending, the course will complete. Okay, but you will learn in-depth programming. Okay, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, guys, 10 plus 5. Okay, first line. Second one is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Double quotes, otherwise, yeah. Double quotes 10 plus 5 next 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, okay, 10 plus 5, double quotes 10 plus 5, and this is 10 plus 5, right guys. Now you tell me, I want you people write your own outputs, don't tell orally, you write on your notepad, all of you. First output is what, second output, you write, don't tell me, otherwise either 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, I'm sorry, one will write like this, come on. Yeah, written output, I hope. Yes, now, yeah. Shaker, what is output? No, don't execute and tell me. You have to tell me by seeing the program. Shiva, what is output? Hmm. Sukanya, what is output? Sukanya. Hmm. Vinil, what is output? Vinil, what is output?
Is it 105?
First output is what? Second output is what?
First 105, second
105.
Second is 15.
Yes. And
15.
you can observe first output is 105, second is 15. So here,
Yes.
but plus is printing or not printing?
Not printing.
Why?
I mean, plus indicates concatenation.
Yeah, a plus is a operator. Plus is a operator. What is the role of operator? Operator will perform some operation. Here, okay. So operators will never print. Operator will perform some operation. It is a expression. It is a expression. Operand 1, operand 2, operator, operator. And operand 1 is a string value. Operand 2 is a string value. That is the reason here plus is acting like a concatenation operator. Due to that reason here two values are joining, concatenating, because plus is acting like a concatenation operator. Here 10 is a numerical data. Here 5 is a numerical data. Operand 1 numerical data. Operand 2 numerical data. Then plus is acting like a additional operator. Plus
Addition.
is acting like a additional. That's why it's performing addition. 10 plus 5. That is the story. Right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
What you observed when my question is according to this program, when plus will perform concatenation, when plus will perform addition. Urmil,
Operator, I mean, if the data type is string, concatenation is performed, and
You should say, like according to this program, you should say, when both operands are string values, then plus will perform concatenation. When both operands are numerical data, then plus will perform addition. According to this program.
addition.
According to this, it's not 100% conclusion. According to this. Now I am changing the program, guys. I'm changing the program. Come on, tell me. Console.WriteLine 10.5 plus 5.5. Now, what is the third output?
16.
Addition of both.
Third output is what? You know, third output is
Yes.
16. 16.
16.0.
Even though
60.
it is operand 1 and operand 2 is a floating data, plus is acting like a concatenation operator. Plus is acting like a concatenation operator. Right. Now next guys. Okay now, so that is a story. Right. Next, understood all of you? Next is what? Yeah, I'm giving another question to all the people. Right. 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 What is output?
105, 105.
105, 105. Why? Because among two operands, any one is a string, then it will act like a concatenation operator. Among two operands, if any one operand is a string, because here it is a string, here it is a string, here it is a string, here it is a string. Any one operand is a string, it will act like a concatenation. So finally we understood one thing. Whenever you are using plus like this, then it will act like a concatenation operator. Okay, so that is the story. Right. Can I give you other question to all the people? Other
Yes,
program.
sir.
And will you write the output for that? Right. Now you see. Console.WriteLine Rama age is 20. Rama age is 20. Right. My question is this statement is right or wrong? Is this statement is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Right.
20.
Right.
Is this statement is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Right.
Wrong.
This statement is giving an error. Why? Because here you have how many values?
Only one.
One value.
Not one value. Here you have two values. It is one value and it is a second value. First value is a string type. Second value is a numeric type. Whenever you want to print a combination of two values, you should concatenate with the concatenation operator called plus. You cannot print two values like directly with the help of WriteLine. Whenever you want to print two combination of the values with the help of WriteLine, between two values, you should use a concatenation operator called plus. You should use a concatenation operator called plus. Now, this is what value now? First value.
String value.
Second value. First value type is what?
String.
String.
Second value type is what?
Numerical.
Numerical. Plus is what?
Concatenation.
Plus is acting like what operator? Concatenation or addition?
Concatenation.
Now you see guys, compilation and execution. What is the output for this line? What is the output for this line? Rama
Rama
age is 20. Rama age is 20. Observed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. My question is, Rama age is, after is I want to print space. After age is I want to print space. Means here I need some space. Here I need space. Here I need some space. Then what shall I do?
Put semicolon.
Hmm. Tell me, tell your ideas. Nothing wrong. You tell wrong answers. Wrong answers. Give me wrong answers. I'm really okay. When you give more wrong answers, you are learning more and more.
Plus
Semicolon.
and
So
Next.
after
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
is
Hmm.
after is put the semicolon. Problem.
After is put the semicolon. Very good. Now you see you are learning something. You are learning something. You observe. Okay, na? So semicolon is also acting like a string. It's printing directly. Come on. Next.
After semicolon, we should
After plus
Plus
After
you have to give
After plus.
give
use some
Sorry.
Please
Come
string.
on.
Null string.
After plus.
Null string.
space, I think.
After plus null string.
Null
Again
string means
concatenation.
empty. Again
yeah.
concatenation.
Concatenation.
Right. Okay. Good. Right. But how many values you have?
Yes.
Three
Three,
values.
three
Three
values.
values.
One is
Three
null string.
values. Because string value,
String plus empty
numerical value.
string.
But the code is becoming
And
complicated. I don't like this. I want other one which is very simple. Come on.
before plus we should give the space.
Before plus give the space. Am I right? Here, like this.
After is give a
One minute. This will try. First. This will try. No space. Space is not coming. Yeah.
is give a space.
After is space. After is space. There is space. Right? Why?
Yes.
Because Rama space age space is
E
space. Everything will come under string. Okay, na? Here the
after plus,
space. After
Yes.
after plus means
no. After that it is a string na, and this is a numerical data. It is a concatenation operator. Okay, na?
yes.
Yeah, like that. Just is very basic points, but which are important. Okay, instead of learning after 100 program writing this one, if you learn in the first level, it will be good for you. I hope you understood, right? So that is the story. Okay, now yeah, now the next class will be on Monday, and according to our schedules, right? Yeah, and now onwards, you should start doing labs. You have to start, and the first one is, let me give you the clarity about next class. Yeah, now today it is Saturday for India people. US people it is Friday now.
Yes, sir.
Friday night. For me, Saturday morning. Next class will be weekend. You don't have any classes. Next class will be at a time. I'll give only one online. Don't only one online batch. Now some other demos I'm giving. They will also join with you. Then once they will join with you, the session time will increase 1.5 hour, couple of days. After couple of days, 2 hours. Right. Next class will be Monday for USA students. Monday. Tuesday. It is Monday evening. Monday evening for US students. Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning for Indian students. Okay, last time we have US, India and Australia students. So this time actually I'm expecting Australia people can also attend the training simultaneously because Now they have lunch, they are having afternoon time, as well as Singapore students also can attend. One or two Singapore students are approaching. Let's see. I want to see different country people in this batch. I'm expecting. Okay, this is our schedule. Same time, same to same. And coming to the assignments. Assignments, guys, you have a lab book.
Yes, sir.
Lab book. Okay. In lab book, start your programming. Start your programming. Okay. So yeah, one person open your lab book because I kept somewhere in my inbox. I think I'll show your lab book to all the people. Show some.
Open, sir.
Open. Who are open? I will share your screen.
Poonam. Poonam. Me open.
Unam. Unam. Right click. Make presenter. Right. Poonam, you will get a message. Show your screen. Show screen. Hmm. Right. Yes. Now go to the up, first page. First page. Right. No. Gone down now. It's a lab book. I think everybody received this book. I'm guessing. Now start.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
C#.NET Lab. Okay. Now task 1, do it. Task 2, execute in your system. Task 2. Task 3, execute. Task 4, task 5, execute in systems. Task 5, task 6, next task 7, 1 minute. Task 7, I didn't teach, but it's new. Okay, you have to try next level also. Task 8, task 7 onwards, the program's not discussed. Task 8, task 9, task 9, task 10. Task 10. Okay, guys. So, task 10. Okay, up to in lab book, task 1 to task 10, you have to implement. And you have to do one thing, whatever you are implemented, just take the snaps and send me as assignment to my inbox. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet on according to me it's Tuesday, according to it is Monday. Thank you very much. Bye to all. Bye bye.
Sir, I have a question.
Anybody wants to talk to me, please wait.